Molly. Stop recording. Nice flowers. It's summer, that's why. Oh, there's a lot in here. How much is one? It's $1.99 for marigold. $1.99 for marigold. Beautiful. It's $2. So many here. Hanging plants are beautiful. I wish I can bring them to the Philippines. It looks nice. So this is my neighborhood. It's called Cabbage Town. There's a lot of nice houses like that. Those are beautiful houses. Like those houses there. And some trees. It's called a Japanese maple tree. This one, see? They're beautiful. Japanese maple tree. Today is 15 degrees, mild weather and sunny here in Toronto. So I'm walking around the neighborhood just to get some fresh air, watch the beautiful trees and houses and plants and flowers, basically like nature walk. I love doing my nature walk. And right now it's 12 o'clock noon and it's still chilly, a little bit chilly. It's 15 degrees. Beautiful houses. This is big houses. Look at those houses. I like walking here during the springtime and also fall because all the leaves and the trees are changing the color, plus the weather is mild. Nice garden. There's a fountain. Cabbage Sackville Street. Nice looking garden. They're well maintained. Across the street. So most of their cars are parked on the sidewalk because they don't have a parking garage. Well, actually they do. It's at the back of the house. So to get access easily for your car, so they park it here, but it's not a busy road. It's like inside the subdivision. And look at how wide their sidewalks are. Like, you don't have to bump with each other while you were, walk with someone towards you. Oh, this is huge house. Nice garden. And look at this front space or garden in the front. It's huge. Before you get to the house, there's like one house vacant. Nice. People likes to do their running here, this area, because it's quiet. And they have a small mini parkette, and we will get to that all the way there. So this is Wellesley, called Wellesley Park. That one there. They have a splash pads for the kids during summertime. They turn it on. I think they start opening it when it gets too hot. Because I remember last week it went into 35 degrees. So they turn on all the splash pads for the kids to cool down. And some pets also. So there's one there inside, and I think today because it's, look at this house. Nice. Look at the details of the trees or the vines. Wow. It looks ancient, but it's modern ancient. So yeah, this is the splash pods. And today is 15 degrees, so it's not on. This is where the water goes, fountain there. And this is Wellesley Park. There, Wellesley Park. and you have a small, not really small, it's like playground for the kids. So this is where you're gonna put your kids to have some, play with other kids. But right now it's not busy, nobody there. And this is new. They don't have this last year. They just built this one pickleball or tennis court area. So you can utilize this park for picnic. We did barbecue here before. You can just set up your grill anywhere that is safe for you, don't cost any fire. And you can use those tables, set up your bench. Well, it already has a bench and chair. You can bring your tent, but you cannot allowed here to stay overnight. But you don't really need a tent because the trees gives you nice shades. So this is where we go for our grill. We grilled here, barbecue, picnic, and yeah, it's so refreshing. Very nice park. And there is a walking trail down here. It's like look like a forest, or yeah, lots of trees, like nature. See, you can bring your bike. You can walk down the stairs. That's the stairs all the way down there, and then you can bring your dogs and walk down there, and then there's another path that goes to the road there. Nice. Okay, so now we'll continue going to Riverdale Park. Nice looking trees. There's so much green in here, nature. I love it. The fresh air, cool breeze, 15 degrees. That's why I'm only wearing a sweater and t-shirt inside, and my walking shoes, of course. So this is beautiful nature walk. And a lot of more houses in this part of the Cabbage town. Stop. So here is the Winchesters and Sumac Street, and that's the park. It's called Riverdale Park. So before we get in there, I'll show you the cemetery here. It's a cemetery just across the street of, it's called Mount Pleasant Cemetery. Okay, and that's ice cream shop. We buy ice cream there. So I think it's open. And this is the park. So we'll go inside the Riverdale farm. There's a lot of picnic table, benches. You can sit down here like those kids. I think they're in a field trip or something. So a lot of kids, a lot of parents are here. And over there, so they're mostly enjoying the weather. And I want to show you this beautiful trees here. It's called like a cherry blossom tree. Cherry blossoms. Oh, the smells of the flowers are gorgeous, especially that white one. It smells like I don't know, like jasmine flowers from the Philippines. Smell like it. It's really good. So now we're going to enter inside the Riverdale Park. I know the camera is a little bit bouncy because I'm putting it in my chest. And there's one more beautiful tree up here. This tree. Nice looking tree. Okay, let's continue inside. So to get into Riverdale Farm, it's actually free. You don't have to pay anything. So this is the farm look like inside. That's what it's look like. So come here first. I want to show you the cows and the horses. So this is the farm. So it's free to get in here. You don't have to pay anything. Just come and enjoy, watch the animals, and there's animals inside. Yeah, different kinds of animals. We'll get into that later. So right now, there is a big cow. Holy cow. There. They are. And that's the horses. And there is like a tower here. I don't know what is this for. It's like a watchtower. So in here you will see some sheeps. Hello sheeps. They're eating. So many of them, look. I'm kinda thirsty, so I need to drink something from that fountain. Actually, the water here is clean. You can drink. You don't have to worry about. So it's safe to drink. So that's a barn for the pig poultry. Oh. That's the goat. Here is called where is the pig? It smells like chicken in here. Oh yeah, there's a chicken over there. See them? Like white. It's called silky chicks. And this is how they hatch them. In the Philippines it's called balut. Yeah. See, the embryo become this. Like how many days it become like a chicken, a chicks. And that's the egg, turkey, duck, chicken, Guinea hen. This is like an incubation area. There, chicken. Yes, it's turkey. They're baby turkey. Okay, let's look for the pig. Where are the pigs? No pigs. Oh, they're probably hiding there, but usually there is a lot of pigs here. Anyway, let's go back. That's a turkey.
Hey, Don.